You're watching How Leap. Let's set up multiple email accounts on your iPhone. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Mail, tap Accounts, then tap Add Account. You will see a list of common email providers like iCloud, Google, Yahoo, and Outlook. Tap your provider. If your provider isn't listed, tap Other at the bottom. Then tap Add Mail Account. Enter your name, email address, password, and a description for the account. Tap Next. Your iPhone will try to automatically configure the server settings. If it fails, you may need to enter the incoming and outgoing mail server details manually, which you can get from your email provider's website. Once verified, choose which apps you want to use with this account, like Mail, Contacts, and Calendars. Tap Save. The account is now added. Repeat these steps for each additional email account. To switch between accounts in the Mail app, open Mail, tap the back arrow in the top left until you see Mailboxes, then tap All Inboxes to see Combined Messages or select a specific account's inbox. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.